Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Zeus. I'm going to try to shoot these things in this way from now on. Today we're going to be making breakfast burritos. It's Monday and I got let off super at a reasonable time. It's later 9:15 a.m. and haven't done a video in a while, so here we go. First things first, get your bacon on there. It's going to take the longest, so you want to throw it on before you start mixing this stuff up. I'm using turkey bacon because I'm a fatty. Get some butter in your pan. Throw some chopped yellow onions and some banana peppers in there. And if you don't like spicy breakfast burritos, then you can go ahead and substitute the banana peppers with Drano. Crack 2 eggs in a bowl. Put some milk in there. The more milk you put in, the fluffier your eggs will be. Mix that shit up. Make sure your peppers and onions are on medium heat. Once that's all mixed up, throw some chopped green onions in there. Alright, once these bad boys are getting nice and fried up, a little more butter in the pan. Just like that. And in you go. Keep them moving so they don't get stuck to the bottom. And you don't want them forming like an omelet or whatever. You want them scrambled. So that shit's going to be done in like no time at all. Keep an eye on that and on your bacon. Alright, everything else should be done. Now it's time. Grease up your pan. Throw a tortilla on there. When you flip it, it's going to try to come up on you and get all fat. And you just got to beat it into submission. Keep flipping it. Once one side gets a little toasty like this, that's going to be your inside. Start throwing your shit on. Bacon. Huevos. Some daggone queso. And then, not surprising, some spinach. Keep it all left of center or right of center. Just make it all on one side. The end result should look a little something like this. You can also put a little sriracha sauce on there, and it turns out really well. You might be asking yourself, Zeus, weren't you just wearing a different shirt and no hat a second ago? And the answer is no, I was wearing this. I definitely didn't burn the shit out of my burrito while I was filming and then have to make it again the next day. Thanks for coming. Praising.
I like turtles.